All right, in this video we are going to design a staircase for a house. So you can create a new document and we're going to go ahead and draw a staircase. Now we have discussed in class some of the codes or the kind of legal requirements for a staircase. So we're going to build a very basic legal staircase here, and a pretty rudimentary staircase, not a lot of details to it, but it kind of gets the idea. We've discussed how many steps and why there would be that many steps and things like that. So now I'm just going to take you through the process of very simply creating that in SketchUp. So we start with the rectangle tool. A stair width minimum is 36 inches, and a stair tread depth is a minimum of 10 inches. So we're going to do 36, 10, and press return. I'm going to do a Shift Z to zoom in a little bit. I'm going to zoom back out some. And maximum stair height is 7.75. Now, we also discussed that to get to the second floor without a big variation in the steps, we actually are going to use 7.71 inches. So instead of 7.75, which is the maximum, if we take 108 inches divided by 14 steps, we're going to get 7.71. So press return, and there is our basic step. Okay. Next thing I want to do is select the entire step, two-finger click on it, and we're going to make it a group. Okay. So now we have the basic first step. We need 14 of these. Okay. So I'm going to get the move tool. Now, if I just click on it, it moves it. I want to do that. I want to copy it. Okay. So if you're on a Chromebook, you press the Control key once. If you're on a MacBook, you press the Option key once. And I think that if you're on a Windows machine, you press the Alt key. Okay. So I'm going to press my Option key, and I get that plus sign by my cursor. I'm then going to select the corner of this group. So I click it. Not dragging, just click. Move it diagonally and up to the next step and drop it. And then I will immediately type X13, which means copy it and move it 13 times, which will give me a total of 14 because there's the original one, and then I want to make 13 copies. So I type in X13, press return, and then if I do Shift Z, there's my staircase. Okay, so I'll undo that, show you that again. Okay, it's important that you not do anything after you move and copy it other than type X13. If you do anything in between there, the X13 will not work. So you get your move tool. You press either Option, Control, or Alt, depending on what computer system you're working on. I'm going to get the bottom corner of the step. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to move it to the top back edge of the step. I'm going to click again and immediately type X13. Press return. Shift Z shows me the whole staircase. And then I'm going to save the drawing, and I'm going to call it staircase. All right, so go ahead and click OK. And I'm just gonna put it in, let's see, actually I just wanted, well, I'm gonna throw it somewhere else than I usually do, just because I already have one somewhere in there. I'll just toss it in here. And then finally, you want to make a copy of this staircase for part 2 of this. So you just select it, get your move tool, press Option, Command, or sorry, Control, Option, or Alt. I press Option, I'm on a Mac. I click the staircase, slide it over, and now I have a copy, and I click Save. Okay, and now you can move on to staircase 2.